This is Uncle Fonzo, aka Alfonso Rush, coming at you again. And we're going to go in and talk about Redux Toolkit and Redux Thunk. We're going to build a nice little cat based app here for you. And before we get into this, we'll kind of describe what is Redux Toolkit, right? What is this thing? So, Redux Toolkit is the modern incarnation of Redux. Redux for a long time has been the go-to tool to deal with state management in larger React applications, right? Redux Thunk has been the asynchronous call middleware tool, primarily also used in the community in general. There's some others out there like Saga. We won't get into that right now, but yeah, officially this is the recommended tool for that, Thunk. It is greatly supported inside Redux Toolkit. So, yeah. Oh, one also thing to mention is that Redux Toolkit, being the new incarnation of Redux, uses a lot less boilerplate than original Redux did. Highly recommend it. A lot more fun to use. So, yeah, let's get into it. All right. So, as you can see, I already got my local terminal up here, already ready to go, and right here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to say npx. We're going to get our new app going. We're going to use create React app. And I think I'll call this Toolkit Thunk Cats. Yeah. Okay, groovy. Give that a moment to do its thing. And voila. Okay. So now we can go ahead and open this up in VS Code. Let's see, we'll cd into that. Let's see. Toolkit. Toolkit that can cd into that. Okay, cool. And then we'll open you up inside of VS Code. Ta-da! Okay, nice. All right, groovy. Next up, we'll go ahead and install Toolkit. Since we're already inside of VS Code, we'll open up terminal from here. Let's clear that up, make that look nice. All right. All right, and we'll get that going by doing npm install at redux.js slash toolkit. Get that going. Nice and breezy there. And we'll also install React Redux for our React bindings. All right, groovy. Then we're going to do a little cleanup over here. Some things we won't be needing for this. We'll get rid of app test, report web vitals, and setup test. So let's say we'll get rid of you. Say delete that guy, and we'll get rid of you. Delete that guy, and we'll get rid of that logo. We'll delete that guy, and we'll get rid of app test.js. I'll delete that guy. Okay. And let's see, we get rid of the terminal. I think what you said. All right, where's our index.js? Okay, yep. We'll get rid of that guy. Okay, yep. And we'll get rid of this. Okay. All right, nice. Man, now let's go over to app.js. And let's see, I think we want to get rid of the header. Get all that. Let's see, nope. It's my AI coming in here. Let's see. Oh yeah, and the logo, right? That. Okay. All right, now we've got that little bit of code cleaned up. We're going to get going here. Oh yeah, I guess we can close our welcome message, right? Let's go back over to the index. And yeah, we're going to get our store going. So time to build the store. So we'll say import uh, provider. Yeah, from Redux. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Yep. Okay. Groovy. Okay. Also groovy. This is also what I want. Okay, we'll go with that. And now let's go down here and we're going to need to get that. I'm going to take this little space out the way here. Oh, you know what? Wait. I forgot. We're doing this the new way. So hang on. We need to clear that out. Actually, we don't want store. We want configure. Yeah, there we go. Configure store from Toolkit. There we go. That's the one we want. That's our friend. Okay. So now we can get in here. We can say, gonna get our store. Configure. There you go. Yep. Configure store. And we'll say, reduce. Oh, that was nice. Yeah, give me that. Yep. This is an empty object. Yep. Our reducer with an empty object. Nice. Okay. Okay, groovy. And note that this library is really neat because it already has Thunk and Saga baked into it, so you don't have to do a little extra work in getting all that wired up, right? Which is pretty nice. All right, so now we need to actually could have did this a little bit earlier, but we're going to oh, interesting. We're gonna pass our gonna wrap provider here. Now, why did that do that down here? That was strange. Okay. Gonna wrap our app and provider. There we go. Now provider's happy. Okay. So now we got provider wrapped, app wrapped with provider. So Redux, the state is now, the app can actually see the state that Redux is going to be providing, right? And we've got configure store going. Now we need to get into creating a slice for our store. Yeah. And let's see. And with that, we need to create a new file. We're going to call that yeah, okay. Gallery state. Yep. And this is where all our reducers and actions are going to live. And we will first import a slice, create slice, create. Hang on. Thought that might have stood up. There we go. Create slice. Yep. Redux Toolkit. Okay, groovy. Yep. And we're going to now export our friend here. Yep. Going to use create slice and ooh, let's see. Yeah, name gallery initial state value no. Reducers set gallery state action state value action payload. See, is this what we want? Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. But let's break this down manually, line by line a bit. So the first parameter is going to be so tempting to just hit the tab key. Is going to be the name here. This is our name of our reducer, and Next is going to be our initial state. And inside of our initial state, let's see, what do we want to do here? All right, so here we're going to have not what the AI is suggesting, autocomplete is suggesting. We're going to do photos. And we're going to say, oops, and is loading. Set that to false, right? Okay, cool. So that's what we'll go with. Space there. All right. All right, nice. And now we will export our, yep, default gallery slice reducer. Okay, groovy. So let's go back over to our index. All right, so now we're going to bring over our new friend. Let's see, we're going to say gallery reducer from nope, not from there, but we're going to say from gallery. What's our name? What's the name of our guy? Gallery state, right? Okay, so we're pulling that out of gallery state, and you are now going to be called here. So gallery reducer, right? There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, and store. Okay, so store needs to be yeah, like that. There we go. So we're wiring in. We're passing our store into our provider, which is how the app sees the store that we're creating. Okay, and our reducer is now set. All right, great. Okay, so now inside of our slice, uh, inside of our state management here. So I'm having an internal debate about whether or not I should. Sorry, so this is the thing about naming conventions, right? Because technically, this file should be named after the function, right? Gallery slice, right? For gallery state. Not sure how I feel about breaking the convention for the sake of this video, but since we're talking about concepts, I think it'll be okay to kind of leave this like this for now. But I'm probably going to change it by the time we get to the end of this video, if I remember. All right. Anyhow, okay. All right. So now we're going to wire up Thunk and our call. So let's see. We'll get in here and we'll say, what are we going to call this puppy? We're going to call this puppy, let's just say, we'll call it create async. Oops, async. Did I spell that right? Async Thunk. There we go. Groovy. Async Thunk with one Y. There we go. Async Thunk. Okay, cool. And let's see. Let's get down here and we're going to export get photos. Yep. Async Thunk. Yeah, gallery, get photos. Let's see. Do we want to keep that? Yeah, we'll keep that for now. And we're going to go grab, going to make a call, asynchronous call to, let's see. Oh, yeah, just like that. I'm going to go get our, oops, hang on. Response. There we go. If I can spell the word response. Okay. Response equals await. Okay, it's anticipating JSON placeholder because I've been doing that before, but we're gonna not use that guy. Instead, we're gonna use this guy. Hang on, I'm gonna show you who we're gonna grab real quick. we're going to play with the cat API. Yay, kitties. Okay. Yeah, so this API is coming from here. And basically, what we're going to do is we're going to go grab this endpoint like so, the breeds endpoint, and we're going to put a limit of 10 cats on it for now. And we can see all this wonderful information about the breed that we get to play with here. Yeah. So let's see, make that a little bit bigger, maybe. Yeah. All information about the cats. So let's go on back to our friend here, and we're going to pop that right in there. And let's see, this we're going to say const data equals await response.json return our data. Okay, groovy. All right, nice. Let's see. What's next? What's next? What's next? Yes. So now we're gonna get back into here. And I think I mentioned before, here's where we're gonna have our reducers. Start building out our reducers. Yeah, we'll grab that. We'll use the new builder structure there. Let's see, add case, get photos, pending, and our functions for pending and fulfilled. Next case, yeah, that looks nice. We like that. So yeah, so here we're just building out our cases, right? So pending and fulfilled, get photos dot pending and get photos dot fulfilled. These are going to say, hey, you know, as this is doing a thing, loading is true, and the case that is fulfilled, give us back our action payload, right? All right, so we got our reducers and our actions in here. Let's see. Let's see. You know what? Wait, let me come back and explain this a little bit more. So in regular Redux Toolkit, you would do, yeah, see, it already anticipates reducers, right? Then you put your case in here, like get photos, right? Get photos, and then you put in, right? You put in some function there, etc., right? But for Thunk, Redux Thunk, we get to use extra reducers. So let me get that. Yeah, delete that. Yep. Yeah. We get extra reducers, and we build it out in this structure. Oh yeah, and one more thing. So we want to add a final case, or let's put this here, for when things get rejected. Yeah, and let's see, let's adjust that. We'll say we just need just the state. Yep, and we don't need that here in this one. And we just want that is loading false. Okay, cool. Now that one is kind of outside the scope of what we're doing here, but yeah, usually you'd have something like pending, fulfilled, or rejected. Okay. And now from here, we're going to go over to our app.js file, and then we'll start building out the logic to start use all these fun things that we built out. And let's see, I think next thing we're going to do here is import our use effect. Nice. Nice. And then we'll go ahead and import some Redux stuff here. I'm going to get use dispatch, use correct spelling. There we go. Use dispatch. Wait, did we? Wait. So, come on, man. Use dispatch and use selector. There we go. From Redux. Okay. And then finally, we will grab our photos. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Gallery set. Like you anticipated where I was going. Now let's see here. What do we name you? Gallery state. We want. we want. Actually, see. We want gallery state, right? Get gallery. I think what we want is get photos, right? Yeah. All right. Now, okay. Now, I'm okay. I think since I've been thinking about this, since we're grabbing the cats from this API, maybe we don't, and we're getting more than just the photos of the breeds, right? We're getting all the data for those breeds. As we can see here, we did a lot more than just photos here. We're gonna get these descriptions as well, the names as well. Um, I think we should probably give you a different name. Yeah, I think we're going to uh, let's rename you. I'm gonna rename. Oh, why did that open this up here like that? Interesting. Curious. Oh, that's curious. Let's go here. Okay, like it does not recognize that that's already open over there. All right, very well. Let me open that one over there then. You want to be like that? Oh my God. Okay, focus of where the mouse is. That's gotta be what's going on. There we go. All right, so I think yeah, let's rename you. We're gonna call you. Although that's still valid name, gallery. Um, yeah, you know what? We're gonna call this cat state instead. Update import. Yeah, yes. All right, cool. Instead of that being gallery size, we could just do a little quick minor adjustments here. We're gonna say not gallery. Well, that's okay. Gallery size, maybe cat slice, cats slice, maybe. Um, hmm, Cat's slice, perhaps. Let's see here. And instead of get photos, let's call you get cats. Yeah. Let's say yeah. Okay, and change that to get cats. Everybody's a cat now. Let's do this. So now this would be great to remember multiple cursors right now, but I don't remember. So we're gonna do it live, kids. We're gonna do it live. All right, there we go. And yeah, that tracks better. Cat slice. There we go. Yeah. Okay, cat stay. Cats. I like that better. Since we're grabbing cats, right? More than just, more than just that. More than just the photo. Getting all that data. So I think the naming convention would be better here. Um. Okay. All right. All right. So let's close that out. Close this out. Let's keep going here with this. Okay. And of course, let's go take a look at index because I'm sure there's something. Yeah, here we go. Gallery reducer. Yeah, we want to, because that's going to be cat reducer. Gallery reducer. Cat reducer. Wait. Why did you do that twice? Okay, there we go. All right, groovy. Okay. All right, cool. So now we go into our app and knows exactly what I want to do. We're going to create dispatch, use dispatch. This this is just a hook that allows us to call our Redux actions. Okay, so now we can grab our cats. We got space down here. We'll grab our cat. Oops, get the mouse up here. There we go. Grab our cats. Going to say, oh, interesting. Like you knew what I was up to. Oh, right. Because, right. Okay, wait. So wait, we one other thing we forgot to do. So get cats, right? Forgot about that. Okay, there. So now let's go back. Let's see if we can get the auto thingy to. Yes, there we go. Yes. So now it knows that we want to grab our cats. Okay. Our use selector. Yep, state.gallery. Okay, great. And with Redux Toolkit, you can grab the reducer with state.gallery, right? So if you take a look at, let's see, oh, hang on, let me point this out real quick. So we got this, we do that. So this is why we've got that over here, right? That's how that's wired into each other there. Cool. All right, let's go back to that. Okay, and now here we can grab, yes, cats, because we want cats here. But one thing, because initial state should really not be, since we, oh yeah, no, wait, state.photos, right. Action.payload, right, that's going to be, that needs to be updated too. So we're going to name that cats. And this is state.cats, right, because that's our payload, right? That's all the cat data that we get. Cats are cat data. Cats are cat data. State.gallery cats. Or maybe breeds? Since this is the breeds endpoint. Let's see here. Yeah, this is the breeds endpoint. Cat.breed, breeds. I don't know, that feels like maybe that might be a better thing to name this, since we're really not just doing just the photo of each cat. Where is our image URL in here? Let's see. Fetch street. Information about that. Okay. Hang on. Let's go back here for a moment. I think maybe breeds. Yeah, let's try this for now. I may come back later and change this if I don't like it. But for the sake of time, let's just knock this out like this. Yeah, oops, wait, one. There we go. Breeds. Okay, we'll call it breeds, and that way that makes a little bit more specific sense, I think. Okay, like that. All right, cool. All right, so next we want to get, we want to make it so that when this loads, use effect will, via dispatch, get our cats. Okay, just like that, all right? And yeah, so we get that in here, and of course our dependency is dispatched, so that will be able to run. All right, groovy. Okay, cool. Now we've yet to actually test to see if this is actually working, so we're gonna put in a bunch more stuff in here. So yeah, so return. Oh yeah, that's that should be We should wrap you guys in a nice little thing here because we're going to get in here in a moment. And any, meeny, miny, where am I going with this cursor? We're going to put in a little H1. Oh, wait, I don't have a autocomplete on that. How come that's not working out with autocomplete? Oh, yeah. Okay, and then yeah. Yeah. Okay, that is not giving me an H1. Can I do maybe? Does it have to be on its own? Oh my, that's okay. What does the AI have for us today? Okay, okay. So I'm not using Copilot. I'm using something else, but it's a similar thing. It's an open source AI assistant, similar to Copilot. And okay, so let's see, cats.map, cat, keys cat name, image, cat.image.url. I'm not even sure. Do we have an image URL in the thing? Because, well, let's take a peek at this real quick and just play with the suggestion. I'm not sure if we have image.url, right? We got cats. Use dispatch to get cats. Okay, dispatch get cats. Okay, the question though is, do we have these cats, right? So let's see, console. Do we have the cats? Do we have the cats? Are the cats with us? All right, let's see. Or is everything foobar? We'll find out in a moment. Let's take a look here. Do it live. NPM start, I think. I'll look at the package, say something again just to double check that. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. So that looks groovy, but if we go here and actually run this here, we'll see we got an issue here. So cannot read property of undefined reading URL. Okay. Array.map. Okay. Rid of a hooks, blah, 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 blah. Great. Boy. All right. So let's see where this is taking us. So automatically, I remember I was suspecting and not sure if that is even a thing here. If we go here, oh wait, we go here, we look at the API. We got an ID, we got a name, but I don't see URL, right? We got something like CFA URL. Okay, maybe that. Maybe CFA underscore URL or vet street URL. Let's see. We'll pick this first one, CFA URL. Let's do this. Name. Don't even know if we have. Oh yeah, image. I'm not sure if that's a. Yeah, we got to figure out which one of these is the image. We'll just turn that off. Okay, there we go. Because that's the offending line there. And now if we go back, we'll take a look at what's going on. There we go. Ta-da. Okay, so we got stuff starting to pop up on the screen here. Okay, great. All right, we'll get rid of that. And we can keep going here, make some adjustments down here. And we'll build this out a little bit more. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of adjusting here. We're going to change app.js to app.jsx. And the reason that is because I need my emit inside VS Code to behave properly. All right, so now I've got that in place. Now this right here is, let's see, we need to rearrange our structure of things here, right? Let's see. So this, if we turn this back on, we know that that's going to blow up everything in the app, right? I wonder if, let's see, can we see? Yeah, we can see this here. Everything blows up. Oh my God, it's exploding in our faces. right? Yeah. So the deal is what's going on here, and um, well, the real deal is this: we're gonna do a little bit of. Let's see. Can we grab that? Let's see. Let's do a little bit of. Then let's see if we do this. Well, let's see. We could think this out, right? Because really, what's going on is that we need to get in here and grab a particular URL where our kitty cats are living. And that particular URL is going to be uh, this. Yes. Oh, yep. There we go. That. It's okay. It's going to be that, right? Because according to the cat API, all of them have a particular naming convention where we plug in our reference image ID number. Yay. Which is this, right? Into a particular URL, and that's going to give us our kitty images, right? There we go. Now we're getting our cats. There we go. There they are. Showing up cat butt, cat face. All right. All right. So a little bit more. We got to a little bit more divs we got to toss in here, and a little bit more layout we got to put in place. So hang in here for a moment. We're going to get our, here we go. Now I've got you behaving properly. We're going to say cats. No, cat breeds gallery. Yay. Okay, that's going to be that. And then we're going to pen a little p tag, and that's going to be images of different cat breeds, lots of putty tats for your viewing leisure. Okay, cool. We're going to get a nice little HR thingy in there, a little line going there. All right, now this mapping situation, we're going to do a div. I'm going to call you gallery. Boom, like that. All of you cats get wrapped inside of that. Let's see. So we're going to grab our kitties. Let's see, make sure we got the last close one. Yeah, okay. We'll grab all you kitties. Stick all you kitties right in there. Here we go, groovy. All right, so there's div, da 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 da. Okay, so now you're inside of that. All right, yeah. Okay, so we got that in place there. That looks kind of goofy. So hang on, let's format that, straighten that out a bit. Okay, cool. So now let's see, we've got gallery here, and let's see what our cats look like so far. You know what? Can I do this? Can I stick you off to one side like this? Yeah. And because there's enough space here, right? Can I do this? And can I snatch you? Oh, wait, no, not, I don't want you over here. You're grabbing the wrong thing, my friend. We want to grab VS Code and make VS Code. Buddy, you're in the way. Oh my God. Okay, here. Here, snatch off. There we go. Get up here. And let's bring you down here. Let's bring you back. Come here, kitty. Over here, kitty. There we go. All right, so now we got you here. Okay. So let's see. Now we got you over here. We'll put you over there. Make you line up nice next to the other one. Groovy. All right, now. All right, cool. Nice, nice. Now we got everybody side by side. We can kind of see what's going on here. All right. Okay, so we got that in place. Now what's next? We need to keep fleshing you out here. HR div gallery cat. All right, it's a cat map. Let's see. Inside of our kitty map, we want to do a little bit more like so. All right, yeah. So I want to put you in a row. Let's see, div dot column, and this is going to be our left row, which is going to contain our left row, which is going to contain our, right, because we don't need that. Right, because you, okay. All right, do I need, well, I'm gonna need, yeah, okay, wait. This, hang on, you should actually be inside the key, right? There we go. Okay, bug off. We want the key up here. Yeah, there we go. Want the key there, because all this iterates with the key. And then your closing guy goes there. There we go. Okay, so now we snatch up this image. The image goes in here. And let's see. The other div does this. Let's see. Column. Right. Great. Column. Okay, so we want a column and then column right. So we know this is the right side. And the right side, we're going to give the name of the kitty. All right, there we go. We want kitty name. We're going to give you, I change that. No, actually, let's keep this going. We're going to do that. And then we're going to do, we'll say H5 for the kitty's temperament. Temperament. There we go. Yes, thank you very much for anticipating that. And we'll put a P tag for the cat description. Exactamundo. Nice. Now you are in fact going to be 2. Let's see here. Now, am I cracking up or? Oh yes. Okay. Great. So our stuff is popping up in here. Okay. Cool. All right. Great. So div, closing div. Let's see, which div is that div? That's that div. That's this div. That's that div. Okay. Oh, yeah. Wait. So one other thing we gotta, okay, so we want, because that's, the width of that's insane right now. There we go. Get that width in there right. And we'll get that height in there right. Okay, groovy. All right, nice. Okay. So, let's think about this. Almost where we want it to be. Not yet. Okay, so here we've got to get another class name. We're gonna need another class name here for our row, right? Because that's the whole point of the columns. There we go. There it is. Pow. All right, groovy. Now, so I'm gonna close that and say bring this over and bring you over. Yep, so we can see all the things. Now we can see what the deal is. Okay. Now we got our kitty breeds. Okay, turn that off because that's aggravating. All right, great. Great. Mew, mew, meow, meow. Welcome, cat overlords. Welcome. All right, there we go. Now, all this CSS, I already built out for the sake of this. And going over CSS outside the scope of this particular lesson. But I will include all this CSS in the link in a link in the description below. All right, so you can just go over there and copy paste that part. And yeah, there we go. There we have it. Now we've got a nice Redux Toolkit Thunk with Thunk using Thunk app that we built out, and looks pretty neat, I think, for a simple little app to demonstrate this this particular topic. And yeah, thank you for stopping by. That concludes this particular little exercise. All right, until next time. Later.